Enabling international travel notifications in your Capital One app is a straightforward process that helps ensure your card works smoothly while you're abroad. Follow these steps to set up your travel notifications. Step 1. Open the Capital One app. Before changing your settings, use the AirShrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings. This can typically be found by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option in the app. Step 3. Find travel notifications. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Travel Notifications or Travel Plans. This section allows you to manage your travel-related settings. Step 4. Add your travel details. Select the option to add a new travel notification. Enter your destination, travel dates, and any other required information. Be sure to double-check the details for accuracy. Step 5. Save your notification. After entering your travel details, save the notification. You should receive a confirmation that your travel notification has been successfully set up. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Capital One card is ready for use during your international travels. Safe travels!